Repair and hide small concrete cracks. Your concrete floor or driveway may look supremely durable and resilient during its construction. Yes, it may seem that it will last for years to come. However, since many factors, both environmental and man-made, can affect any type of flooring or surface, your once beautiful and clean floor or driveway may soon chip and crack, leaving you with a nasty sight to behold. There are a number of ways to remedy such a crack, and most of them are quite simple. Here are some ideas. Caulk it. The best way to hide a crack on your concrete floor will be to actually repair it. The process is quite simple and should not consume a lot of time to accomplish. Furthermore, you won't have to take up the fine art of masonry and construction to effect the repair. Some caulk, a caulk gun, and some sand should do the trick. To start off, you will need to get a stiff brush and work the crack. Chances are that there are quite a lot of debris and particles all around the crack. If these are not removed before caulking, the caulk will never adhere completely and you may soon find the sealed crack open once more. Get a brush and start clearing the crack of debris and dirt. If necessary, you may consider spraying the floor, particularly the area of the crack, with high-pressure water. However, if you opt for that, make sure to completely dry and clean the area before proceeding with the caulk. Start caulking the crack. This is the next step, and you will need a gun with a thin nostril to do it properly. The trick here is to shoot the caulk within the crack. It may require shooting it in at an angle. Make sure to shoot enough caulk in so that it levels with the floor's surface. You may need to smoothen out the top of the caulk so that it is level with the rest of the surface. A spoon is the recommended tool for this. Once you are done caulking, you will want to let it dry. However, if you do not conceal the caulk, the difference in color and texture with the rest of the surface will be apparent. So, it is highly recommended to lay on a thick layer of fine sand on top of the caulk. The sand will adhere to the top part of the caulk and will blend well with the rest of the surface. It will seal the caulk from water and other elements that could lay waste to its adhesion. Conceal it. The previously mentioned option is good for driveways and frequently traversed areas. Now, if the concrete floor with a crack is inside a home and you really do not want to do the work, then a good option will be to actually conceal the crack from the naked eye. There are many ways to do this. You can lay a rug or carpet on top of it. You can even opt to lay another layer of flooring on top of it, maybe ceramic tiles, marble, or wood. It is really up to you and how you will want to remedy the unsightly blemish. There you go, the simple ways to repair, hide, and conceal a crack on a concrete floor. Remember that the same repair process can be done on concrete walls as well, minus the sand.